India versus New Zealand second T20I. India winning India winning by 65 runs. Is it a convincing win? I don't think so. I don't think so because of three reasons. One, India's batting is now heavily reliant on Surya Kumar Yadav. I mean, he's once in a generation talent, no doubt. He bats like a dream now. But I have a feeling that it has almost become a habit for Indian cricket team to be expecting Surya Kumar Yadav to play a similar innings every time to take it as to a good total. Now, it says a lot about Suryakumar's Yadav, Suryakumar's talent, but it shows less of people who are batting around him. So I think that's an area that the team needs to look into. The second area that I'm concerned about is Rishabh Pant's role in the Indian cricket team, especially in T20 guys. He's batting up top, but is he the explosive opener that we're looking for who can put fours in power play? I have my doubts. The third area of concern that I always that I've had watching this match has been and it's been there for a while is Bhuvanesh Kumar's role in opening the bowling. He's a fantastic swing bowler. When the conditions assist him, he's a real threat. But when he's not, and when you're on flat wickets, most likely you are getting those kind of wickets. What is his role in the bowling lineup? And that's something that we need to ponder upon. Cheers, guys.